Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Alexan at the Galleria, in Dallas, Texas. And we're gonna walk and talk just a little bit. I just want you to see this area. So this is the Galleria area. So what is the Galleria? Well, the Galleria is a really famous mall. It's down there, not very far, just a little bit. And it's probably about 3 minutes driving, and it's a really kind of upscale mall that's been around for I don't know, 25-30 years at least. Really pretty shops, really nice. This isn't your typical mall. It's more a foo-foo kind of mall, a Dallas mall. It's got really cool stuff there. Has an Apple store there as well. So that's kind of what defines this whole area called the Galleria. This is North Dallas. And this is a great location because it gives you really quick access to get to downtown Dallas, which would be that way, about 20 minutes or so. You can get to the airport super quickly from here too. That would be, I don't know, 30 minutes, maybe more like 20-25. It's not very far. And then if you go north, you can go to the tollway, which is just about 2 or 3 minutes this direction. And that gets you to Addison, Plano, Frisco, and beyond. So the location is pretty fabulous. This is a really pretty place. I'm glad they added this new building here because there are some other apartments, but they're older and they're just kind of aging a bit. But this is nice to see this new place. You can see it's really pretty. You can see the balconies here. You can see the patios, and you can see also the landscaping is really cute. It's they've been here, I don't know, this is maybe about 3 to 6 months, so they've really taken really good care of it and have it really well in place. So it's perfect timing to get here. And it does have a garage. There's additional parking in the garage. So it does have a garage as well. So hopefully we'll get to see that too. Now we're going to walk in and look at the Alexan at the Galleria. If you have any questions at any time, or you're ready to take a live virtual tour, send me a text. Just use the number below and just say, "Hi, Grant.